Hello everyone, we are so close to being done with school for the year. I hope distance learning has gone well for you and you're ready to wrap up the year doing this. If you have any questions, as always, ask, but I want to focus a little bit this week on determining tax and finding the final price when you add tax. So we'll give a little overview on how you do that. So what sales tax is it's an amount of money that is added to the cost of the things that you buy. So when we did discount, we were subtracting that amount of money. Now with tax, we're going to be adding the amount of money. So to find the sales tax amount, you're going to want to multiply the item price times the sales tax percent. And what that's going to do is give you that sales tax amount. Then to find the final price, you're going to want to take that item price again and then add the sales tax amount, and that'll give you the final price. So we'll go over an example here. So for example, a DVD costs $15. There is a 5% sales tax. So what we're going to do is we're going to take $15 and we're going to multiply by 5%. So now I'm going to type that into my calculator. So 15 times 5%, and I get 75 cents. Now with that 75 cents, with tax, we're going to add that to our price. So I'm going to take $15 and I'm going to add that 75 cents. Again, I would type that into my calculator, and that gives you $15.75. So that would be your final price. So this first amount, 75 cents, that's just your sales tax amount. Then the next answer you get there, that's your final price after you add the sales tax amount. So I hope that's helpful. If you guys have any questions, please reach out and let me know.